So this is how I adjust the printing profiles for the Modix Big-Meter version 4. Whenever I load in a model, I see to that the nozzle size in the extruder part is correct. And within the filament setting, I often go down to the advanced setting and adjust the max volumetric speed for whatever my hot end or my filament is able to be printed or be melted. That way, I am sure that even if I do use a big nozzle, I don't get to go above the volumetric flow rate of my hot end. On the Modix Big-Meter with the Bondtech CHT nozzle, I often am able to hit about 45 cubic meters of print speed, but for normal printing within the limits of whatever you have to print, somewhere between 30 to 35 is a good number. On the Modix printers, the cooling is not too strong, so if you have short layer times, you really do need to take down the speed to have the filament solidify. If you print big layers, and often on the Modix printers you do have quite big layers, it's not really a problem because the time for the printhead to get back to the same place is often very long. If you do print a lot of small stuff on the print speed on the print bed, you can actually slow down the time that it takes for the printer to do one layer, and you can adjust that here. Normally, I would set that to about 60 seconds for one layer if it is small prints, but it will take a lot of time then. And the Modix printers is not really built for small prints. In the settings tab, I adjust the layer height to whatever is needed or required. And of course, I adjust the perimeters and top and bottom fill layers so that it meets the demand of the customer, as well as the infill density. On bigger prints, I often do use adaptive cubic, and that way you don't have too much fill in the middle of the model, and the infill will become stronger or tighter, denser towards the outside of the model. That way you save a bit of print time, a lot of material as well. Within the speed section, yes, the speeds are very low, but it is still significantly higher than the standard speeds for the Modix. And in the advanced tab, I have set it up so that it should calculate the width of the lines to whatever you have set in your nozzle diameter. On the Modix printers, we often use 0.8 or 1 millimeter nozzles, and often 0.4 layer height or above that, basically just to get the print done in a normal way. But this is the printing profiles that we use, and that is how I do some changes whenever I slice a new model. I hope that you can use this information to something for your own business or your own hobby. And of course, these adjustments do apply to almost every 3D print FDM 3D printer out there. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.